This is the Bagley Flyers News with your hosts, Molly Gunderson with the lunch menu, Hattie Nelson with birthdays, Jordy Cluse with the classroom corner, Christian Haugen with positive action, Gavin Erickson with sports, and Ireland Sullivan with school announcements.
The lunch menu for this week is on Monday, pizza, fresh veggies, and tropical fruit. On Tuesday, California burger with veggie fixings, fries, and apple crisp. On Wednesday, it's breakfast for lunch when we eat pancakes, sausage patty, and a fruit and a veggie bar. On Thursday, taco in a bag with veggie fixing, refried beans, and applesauce. And on Friday, shrimp poppers, mac and cheese, fresh veggies, and pears. Bon appetit!
Here are the birthdays for this week. On December 1st, Hadley Williams. On December 2nd, Jackson Connor. On December 3rd, Oliver Larson. On December 4th, Isaac Heisler. On December 5th, William Nass, Aurora Rose, and Leonard Goodwin. On December 6th, Vincent Lake and Anthony Brecken. And on December 7th, Millie Fletcher. Happy birthday to everyone.
Here's what's happening in this week's Classroom Corner. Here's your math question of the week, courtesy of Pierce School in Brookline, Massachusetts. In the middle of the night, thieves robbed a truck carrying millions of dimes in a Philadelphia parking lot. The thieves stole 1 million dimes. If the thieves carried the dimes in buckets, how many buckets would they fill? Each bucket holds 100 rolls of dimes. Each roll of dimes is worth $5. For social studies and science, we're staying out west to focus on the state of Alaska. Here are Alaska facts from the alaska.gov. Alaska's state capital is Juneau. Its state nickname is the Last Frontier, and its state abbreviation is AK. In 1867, Russia agreed to sell Alaska to the United States for $7.2 million. Alaska finally became the 49th U.S. state in 1959. It is the largest state geographically, and you could fit Minnesota into Alaska 8 times. Its population is almost 740,000, which makes it the 48th most populated state in the U.S., ahead of the District of Columbia, Vermont, and Wyoming.
Did you know Alaska is called the land of the midnight sun because in Barrow, for over 2 months or 67 days, the sun didn't rise at all. In the summer, they make it up with 82 days of constant sunlight and no sunset. The state flag was designed by a 13-year-old boy named Benny Benson after calling on students in the territory to submit their ideas. Alaska finally decided on Benson's scene of the Big Dipper and the North Star in 1927.
Finally, in language arts, you are learning about perspectives in literature. You will learn about how people create stories, what makes people view the same experience differently, or how different points of view can help us evaluate the world. A perspective is like a pair of glasses. Just like how your glasses help you see the board at school, our perspectives help us understand what's happening around us. And the best part is we can all learn from each other's perspectives to become more understanding and kind friends. Here is Mrs. Santy with some recommendations on perspectives.
For fiction lovers, check out The True Story of the Three Little Pigs by John Sheska, or The Insignificant Events in the Life of a Cactus by Dusty Bowling. For a more down-to-earth perspective, you should read Should I Share My Ice Cream by Mo Willems, or A Chair for My Mother by Vera B. Williams.
If you're looking for other book ideas, you can ask Mrs. Santy for help. Remember, learning is a lifelong process.
This week's positive action word of the week are time and energy. A point of time is measured in hours and minutes. Energy is like the power that makes things work. Time and energy work together like a character in a video game. You only have so much energy you can use to get things done, and you need time to restore your energy. Make sure you manage your time so you can get everything done you need. Also, make sure you get enough rest and eat healthy food so you have enough energy to get you through the day. Those are the positive action words of the week. Time and energy.
Here's what's happening in sports this week. On Monday, girls varsity basketball has a game at Oakley High School against the Red Lake County Central Mustangs starting at 6. Boys varsity basketball has a home game against the Boston Greyhounds starting at 6. On Tuesday, girls varsity basketball has a home game against the Boston Greyhounds starting at 6.
Varsity hockey has a road game at Lake of the Woods against the Bears starting at 6. On Thursday, girls junior high basketball has a home game against the Red Lake County Central Mustangs at Bagley Elementary starting at 4:30. Varsity hockey has a home game against the Wadena Deer Creek Wolverines starting at 7. On Friday, varsity basketball has a doubleheader at Little Fork Big Falls High School against the Vikings starting with girls at 5:45. On Saturday, varsity hockey has a game at Wahpeton Ice Arena against the Breckenridge Wahpeton Blades starting at 1. Please check the athletics calendar on the school's website or your favorite social media platform to stay on schedule with dates, times, and opponents for upcoming flyer activities.
Here are this week's school announcements. Have you ordered your elementary yearbook yet? Orders are due by December 20th. Bagley Elementary is hosting a holiday bookshop on December 17th and 18th and 19th. Classroom will have a scheduled time to shop for your family members. Remember to fill out your shopping guide and bring it back to school. Get ready, one school, one book is coming. Reading a book together brings the joy of building and expanding a sense of community. More information is coming soon for Bagley Elementary.
Greetings, Bagley Flyers. We're here to announce once again to you the Bagley Flyers Student of the Month for November.
For kindergarten, we have Asher Solon, Theodore Mortensen, and Lauren Peterson.
In first grade, we have Lincoln Tigey, Everly Katzenmeyer, Quinn Hendricks, and Coulter Eck.
For second grade, we have Lakeland Schonborn, Emerson Dahl, June Olson.
For third grade, we have Natalia Michinow, Danica Erickson, Ellie Ruggiero, Baylor Schwagel.
For fourth grade, we have Annalie Nealand Martinez, Jessa Johnson, and Alice Horsley.
For fifth grade, we have Livy Teggy, Amaya Druby, and Charlie Broughton.
For sixth grade, we have Claire Eckery, Hattie Nelson, and Lila Goodman.
For special teachers, we have Sam Foltz and Gage Chindry. You just tuned in to the Bagley Flyers Student of the Month. The Positive Action Team says,
Thank you.
See you next time.
Have a good week.
Thank you for watching our latest newscast. If you enjoyed our news, please show your support by liking and subscribing. Also, don't forget to hit the notification button so you don't miss any new posts.